Modern walls by Vitrulan. Product features and benefits. Quality, made by Vitrulan. Packaging, marking. Fiber integration. Wall hygiene. Pressing force. Brittleness. Warp threads. Wet strength. Stiffness. Covering factor. Pattern matching thread. Perfect protection. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics are perfectly packaged. Each fabric roll is shrink-wrapped in polyfilm and packaged in a single carton, protecting the fabric from damage and moisture. The carton window shows the product and doubles as a handle. In addition to an ideal protection of the roll against damage and dirt, the packaging of single rolls may also be used as an aid for unrolling the material. After opening one side of the carton and removing the protective film, the glass deco fabric can be unrolled, well protected against dirt, and put directly into a bed of paste. Floors don't stand a chance. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics are subject to strict quality control. However, small weaving flaws in the manufacturing process cannot be completely eliminated. These flaws are marked with an adhesive strip on the edge and compensated by adding a little more than half a yard, 0.5 meters, to the length of that roll. The result? Flawless textures. The blue line, for a perfect fit on your wall. Reverse side marking. The result? Perfect pattern run. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics have colored markings on the back of the fabric. Easy to follow application instructions are included with every roll. The rear markings of the individual fabric length must be attached to the wall at a gap of about 1 meter. If this simple rule is followed, you avoid application mistakes. No structural differences in the fabric surface after color coating. The back of the fabric, which generally has a less prominent texture, is never inadvertently used as the front. Fabric lengths are not inadvertently hung upside down, i.e. turned 180 degrees. Wall hygiene, neat and clean. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics, in conjunction with selected coating systems, provide clean and sealed surfaces. They're easy to clean, and they offer no pores and pockets in which microorganisms could accumulate. On the smooth sealed surfaces, any impurity or contamination can be easily and completely removed. Depending on the paint selected, even caustic cleansing agents and rough cleaning techniques can be used. The result? Extreme wear resistance also in critical areas. Have you ever seen this? Working with poor quality fabric. Working with top quality Vitrulan fabrics. With this fabric, you can't go wrong. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics are treated during production to create a stable and sturdy fabric which, at the same time, is also very flexible. As a result, even difficult application situations can be mastered. Easy application, even around edges and corners. The result? Perfect application. Hide and seek with Vitrulan glass deco fabrics. Pre-primed Vitrulan glass deco fabrics are manufactured using only a high concentration of top-quality white pigments. The color of the underlying wall surface is thus perfectly hidden. According to your choice of color, an attractive surface finish can be achieved, even with just one top coat. Ideal hiding quality after painting. Even results according to the color depth. The result? An evenly painted surface. A distinctive image. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics are manufactured on the basis of modern, highly developed yarns. This enables fabric textures to be produced evenly, which at the same time have a typical textile character, balanced and even textile pattern. The result? Clean texture appearance, even after several coats of paint. The perfect combination. With Vitrulan glass deco fabrics, drop matching is now simple. Just line up the horizontal pattern matching threads. Correct continuation of pattern every time, made easy with matching thread. The result? Flawless pattern run. Visibility of joints. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics have exact factory-trimmed edges. The vertical warp threads across the width of the fabric are always at the right distance from each other. This enables the fabric lengths to be butted accurately. The joint is almost invisible. Minimum visibility of the joint, even for highly textured designs. The edge is cut exactly in the middle, between the warp threads. Fill threads at the joint are not too long or too short. Your health. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics have a highly refined surface. The glass filaments are securely seated in the fabric, thus reducing the risk of skin irritations to a minimum. A clean fabric without protruding filaments. The fiber dust released when hanging the fabric is kept to a minimum. Safe and easy handling. Almost no skin irritation, no annoying itching. Clean, fiber-free fabric surfaces after painting. The result? Completely hygienic and environmentally safe living and working surroundings. Integration of warp or cutting. Have you seen such material? Vitrulan glass deco fabrics are treated with state-of-the-art coatings technology during production. This means that the warp threads are ideally bonded with the fill or weft threads. Warp threads remain vertically bonded, even when the lengths are cut. No fraying of the warp thread. Problem-free butting of joints. The result? A smooth and proper joint. A perfect fit. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics are easy to apply, even after several hours of contact with water-based adhesive systems. Even difficult application situations are easily mastered. Because of the high wet strength and flexibility, the fabric can withstand even rough application methods. Easy smoothing around corners and edges, even for very narrow lengths. Rational and economic handling with paper-hanging devices. After contact with water-based adhesives, the fabric length can be stored even for extended periods. The result? Hard wearing during application. Resisting wear and tear. Vitrulan glass deco fabrics have extremely high tensile strength. A 20-kilo pail filled with vinyl covering is lifted. A second attempt is required, and the fabric tears and stretches. The same test is made with the Vitrulan glass fabric material. The pail is easily lifted, and the fabric doesn't tear or stretch. Wall reinforcement and crack prevention. Wallpaper. Vinyl wall covering. Glass tissue, non-woven. Vitrulan fiberglass, mesh type SL. Vitrulan glass deco fabric. Modern walls by Vitrulan. High glass products.